Hello engineers, welcome back to our next lecture. Regulation 34 under MARPOL NX1, that is oily mixtures from cargo area. See, don't get confused between clear regulation 15 and regulation 34. Now tell me what is regulation 15. Clear? See, regulation 34 is all about oily mixture from cargo area. Oily mixtures from cargo area means regulation related to oily mixture from cargo area as per regulation 34 under MARPOL NX1. What is regulation 15? हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था ना ABCDE रूल. ABCDE rule. Clear? What is regulation 15? As per regulation 15, oily mixture or bilges from engine room or machinery. Clear? Any doubt? So sometimes surveyor asked you, okay, tell me the difference between regulation 15 and regulation 34 as per MARPOL NX1. बहुत ज्यादा स्टडी नहीं करना है, सेफ्टी ट्रिक के साथ स्टडी करना एंड स्मार्ट वर्क करना है. सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रेगुलेशन 15 एंड रेगुलेशन 34 एज पर MARPOL NX1? सर जी, रेगुलेशन 15 which comes under MARPOL NX1 deal with the regulations regarding oily mixture from, or we can say oily mixtures or bilges from engine room or machinery space. Sir ji, but in case of regulation 34, the oily mixtures from regulation regarding the oily mixtures from cargo area. Now if surveyor asked you about, okay, tell me the brief about this रेगुलेशन 15, तो आपको ABCDE रूल एक्सप्लेन करना है. दैट आई ऑलरेडी टॉट टू यू. सिमिलरली इफ सर्वेयर आस्क्ड यू, ओके, टेल मी द रेगुलेशन 34, अंडर रेगुलेशन 34 व्हाट आर द रूल्स, व्हाट आर द रेगुलेशंस, एवरीथिंग, देन आपको अभी जो मैं पढ़ाने जा रहा हूं वो एक्सप्लेन करना है. क्लियर? एंड इससे पहले हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा था? ऑयल रिकॉर्ड बुक. सो ऑयल रिकॉर्ड बुक पार्ट 1 वाज रेगुलेशन 17 and oil record book part 2 was regulation 34. So again, don't get confused between part 1 and part 2. Clear? Regulation 16, come on. Oil record book part 1 regulation 16, 17 oil record book part 2 regulation 34. Clear? Regulation 15, see regulation 36, right? Clear? So oil record book part 1, my mistake. Oil record book part 1 regulation 17, oil record book part 2 regulation 36. So don't get confused. Clear? तो see, अब जो regulation 34 है, that is deal with the regulation regarding oily mixtures from cargo area. So this activity recorded in which book? Recorded in oil record book part 2 regulation 36. And see, अब oily mixtures or bilges from engine room, this type of record is maintained under oil record book part 1, that is machinery operation. Clear है? Clear है the relationship between regulation 15, 34 oil record book part 1, regulation 17 oil record book part 2 regulation 36. कोई डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. क्लियर? तो ये जस्ट मैंने आपको ब्रीफ आइडियाज दिया रिगार्डिंग रेगुलेशन 15, 34 ऑयल रिकॉर्ड बुक पार्ट 1 रेगुलेशन 17 ऑयल रिकॉर्ड बुक पार्ट 2 रेगुलेशन 36. अब नाउ इन दिस लेक्चर्स विल गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट रेगुलेशन 34. We have done with regulation 15, we have done with oil record book part 1 regulation 17, we did oil record book part 2 regulation 36. Now what about regulation 34 under MARPOL NX1? Clear? So regulation 34 is all about oily mixtures from cargo area. So control of discharge of oil. Clear? Discharge outside special area except in Arctic water. Please write it down. Several times asked in your MEO class 4 orals as well as written. Clear? So ये कीवर्ड्स है, मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूं सेफ्टी में, दीज आर कीवर्ड्स. आपको आपकी ओपनिंग आंसर शुड बी लाइक दैट. क्लियर? रेगुलेशन 34 ऑयली मिक्सचर फ्रॉम कार्गो एरिया. नाउ व्हाट आर द रेगुलेशन? कंट्रोल ऑफ डिस्चार्ज ऑफ ऑयल. व्हाट आर द रेगुलेशन? क्लियर? अब ये रेगुलेशन मैं कार्गो एरिया की बात कर रहा हूं, नॉट फ्रॉम इंजन रूम बिल्जेस. इंजन रूम में जो बिल्जेस देखते हो ना, ऑयली वाटर एंड बिल्जेस, मैं उसकी बात नहीं कर रहा हूं. Now we are talking about cargo area. Clear? Yes. Any discharge into sea of oil or oily mixture from the cargo area, not from the engine room. For engine room, regulation 15 was there. This is regulation 34. Clear हो रहा है? Yes. So any discharge into sea of oil or oily mixture from the cargo area of an oil tanker shall be prohibited except when all the following conditions are satisfied. So what are the conditions? The tanker is not within a special area. Always remember, the tanker is not within a special area. Second point is the tanker is more than 15 nautical mile from the nearest land. The tanker is more than 15 nautical mile from the nearest land. Clear? Now number 3, the tanker is proceeding in route, means not a round type of voyage नहीं है. There is a planned voyage from port A to port B, right? So the tanker is proceeding in route. The instantaneous rate of discharge of oil content does not exceed 30 liter per nautical mile. 30 liter per nautical mile. Clear? Please remember this, important. The instantaneous rate of discharge of oil content does not exceed 30 liter per nautical mile. The total quantity of oil discharged into the sea does not exceed for tanker delivered on or before 31st December 1979 as defined in regulation 1.28.1. No need of to mention such type of things. Clear? Just simple language में लिखो, सर जी, the total quantity of oil discharged into the sea does not exceed for a tanker delivered on or before 31st December 1979 as defined in regulation 1.281 is 1/15,000 of total quantity of the particular cargo. See, I am talking about the total quantity of the particular cargo. Means I am not talking about the carrying capacity. I am talking about how much actual cargo is present inside the cargo tank. See, there is a difference between carrying capacity, tank carrying capacity, and the actual amount of cargo which is present inside the cargo tank. There is a difference, no, in between these two. So see, maybe suppose see, maybe the total carrying capacity total carrying capacity में भी मैं मानकर चल रहा हूं, में भी सपोज 1 लाख, yes 1 lakh ton, but the actual amount of oil carrying is suppose say 45,000 ton. So now अब देखो The total quantity of oil discharged into the sea does not exceed for a tanker delivered on or before 31st December 1979 as defined in regulation 1.28.1 1 by 15,000 of total quantity of the particular cargo of which the residue formed a part. So 1 by 15,000 of this. Clear? So we can say 1 by 15,000 of this. Note the total carrying capacity. इतनी ऑयल वो ले सकता है 1 लाख टन, बट ऑयल कैरी कितना कर रहा है? ओनली 45,000. तो 1 by 15,000 इंटू 45,000 3. क्लियर? तो नाउ व्हाट इज 3? So 3 ton of oil discharged into the sea. Clear? So the see 3 ton से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, not more than 3 ton. So the total quantity of oil discharged into the sea, if I am taking such case, ये मैं केस ले रहा हूं where the actual amount of oil carrying कितना 45,000 ton. So how much ton of oily water we can discharge into the sea? That is 3 or lesser than 3, does not exceed 3 ton for tanker delivered on or before 31st December 1979. Clear? 1 by 15,000 of total quantity of the particular cargo of which the residue formed a part. And for a tanker delivered after 31st December 1979. This is for before 31st December 1979, but after 31st December 1979 as defined in regulation 1 by 30,000 of total quantity of the oil. 1 by 30,000 of particular cargo which the residue formed. So this is for before 31st December 1979. Clear? अब ना 1 by 30,000 into 45,000. Clear? Any doubt? 1 by 30,000 into 45,000. So we can say 45 by 30 sir ji. So in this case 1.5 ton. So 1.5 टन ऑफ ऑयल से कम या अप टू 1.5 टन हम डिस्चार्ज कर सकते हैं ऑयली वाटर मिक्सचर्स विच इज जनरेटेड फ्रॉम कार्गो इनटू द सी. सो रिमेंबर द डेट 31st December 1979 बिफोर और 31st December 1979 आफ्टर. क्लियर? एनी डाउट? नाउ नंबर 6, द टैंकर हैज इन ऑपरेशन an oil discharge monitoring and control system and a slope tank is required by regulation 29 and 31 of this annexes. Clear? Any doubt? So always remember, don't get confused in oil tankers. In oil tankers for cargo there is yes discharge monitoring control system is there, or in case of machineries there is oil discharge monitoring, ODME, oil discharge monitoring equipment. In this case for cargo area there is oil discharge monitoring control system is there. So the tanker has in operation an oil discharge monitoring and control system plus, clear, ODMCS plus the arrangement of slope tank. Right? Already it is taught to you what is slope tank, plus slope tank arrangement भी होनी चाहिए. So these are the various rules and regulation under this regulation 34. Clear है? So oily mixtures from cargo area. ठीक है? Any doubt? So don't get confused between regulation 15, regulation 34, ORB part 1, regulation 17, ORB part 2, regulation 36. Clear? So this is all about our today's lectures. Stay tuned for further more lectures. Thank you.